So I just finished editing the last vlog I posted, and if you're watching this video, thank you. That was some of the weirdest shit I've put online. Like, I mean, I'm fine with it because obviously I'm putting it online still, but like, if you guys are sticking around after watching literally the most average video ever, thank you. You guys are true heroes and my true internet friends, so I appreciate you. But back for another, hopefully more riveting vlog. I don't know, did you like that one? Is that something you want to see? It was very like, this is my life, folks. This is me changing out my trash and talking to myself. But if that's something you like, it's way easier to do than most things. So just let me know what you think. But back for another one. Keeping this train going. So I realized I talked about the resin that I was doing in the last vlog, but I didn't actually show you a finished product. So these are my resin bear barrettes, and someone on Instagram, Chrissy, brilliant human that she is, was like, you should call them bearettes. Sold. So these are my bearettes. They are really long because I personally really like a long barrette because then I can put like all my hair into it, and I just added a bunch of little bears to it. So I think I'm gonna put some online. They're all different, like no two ones are the same, and they're literally handmade by these really poorly bit to crap fingers. These hands make them. So that's all I have to say. That's it. If you're wondering if I did any of that photo work I talked about, I did not. I did not do any of that. It is only Monday, so I didn't do any of it over the weekend, and I posted that stuff I was doing on that Friday. So not terrible, but not great. Not great. So I got work to do. Kayla's back with one of her famous angles, but I'm gonna try and not be a piece of crap and do these photos, at least some of the photos, this section specifically, get some of those done. So now I'm gonna undo all the cleaning I did in that last video. Okay, little photo setup, got my lights. I will link these lights. I got them from Amazon a few years ago, so I will link the same ones or something similar. Alex got them for me for a Christmas gift. They're fantastic. They're so amazing. Of course, I blocked your view. They are the best. So if you do any sort of like photos or filming or something, I just put them at 45-degree angles towards my white space. And then I'll just like put products down and stuff. I have no idea how I'm gonna make him stand. I won't. Hey, beautiful. Hi. How's your nap? I'm just saying it's about time that my productivity returned. A little late, but better than nothing. This ear is so red. What are you doing here? So I finally hung up my first couple of embroidery projects. I didn't measure them, but they seem pretty uniform. So I'm happy about that. So I feel like this section of my office is always the messiest. I can't help it. I got coupons for Meijer here, which I should have used in my last Meijer purchase. I'm sure those are not what you're interested in. You're probably more interested in the stack of Erin Condren stuff because I was sent the new daily planners. So there's gonna be a full video up later this week talking about all of the ins and outs, what's new, what's different, what's the same, that kind of stuff. But they also sent a bunch of accessories over as well. So I have a huge stack of that, including this fine tip markers kit, which looks really exciting. There's washi tape, another pen. Is this a bigger planny pack or is it the same size? I don't know. I need to compare. I'm not sure about that. Then I have just so many new products for the store, and we are going to be doing a newsletter about the silicone wine cups because we have a ton of them now that you can choose from, and they're going to be online as well. So I need to photograph those. I got more Pokemon in, and then I also want to do more photos of Laken's collection that she came out with. So these are available now. So lattes with Laken, celebrate the little wins wine cup, all goals are achievable on the right timeline, and then small progress is still progress. Little tumbler, stickers. So yeah, this is always the state of this. But like I said, I'm going to be doing a full video walkthrough of all of the products and stuff for the Erin Condren launch, comparison, contrasting to the current dailies, all of that jazz. For the record, it was just my imagination. They're the same size. It just looks slightly bigger to me. I also wanted to show you the new sticky notes because you know how I feel about sticky notes. The love is strong. I think I'm actually gonna really like using these. I love this box to do my monthly views, like if I have stickers down already, but I'm not sure if an event is gonna change or not. I like putting it on this because it's a little bit cuter than just like a random sticky note, so that if the plans change, it's still kind of cute. Here's an example of what I mean. I'm not sure if they're gonna come rock climbing with us, so I put it on this sticky note so that it looks cute in my planner until we know for sure. Don't worry guys, I wasn't gonna leave you hanging. You watch the vlogs, you get the inside scoop. Of course, the full flip through video will be better quality, but I wanted to give you guys a little quick look-see. So the fonts are different. I think they have 2 to 3 different styles for like the main planners, but I'm not sure about Daily Duo. I know that they have a lot of different like options and styles and different ways to customize it than like ever before, but I will know more about that as we get closer to the actual launch. So this is the monthly view. Like I said, the font is a little bit more bold and blocky, which I'm really into. The productivity page looks a little bit different. And then the biggest difference I've noticed is that Saturday and Sunday have their own full pages. So before, this is what the weekends look like, and now the new one has them on their individual pages. So instead of just lines, you get your own full page plus the notes page. There are no notes pages in the back of this, and it's pretty just, you know, straightforward because of how many pages it will have. And this is what it looks like starting out. So it actually is quite hard to put stickers in. Over time it does get really, really thick. And I find that I have to be a little more sparing with my daily sticker use. We also got a new couch since the last time we spoke. I put the blanket out for the boys because they like to sleep on it. But I got this online from Polly and Bark. And I obviously didn't sit in it or try it before we bought it, but we got some samples and decided that this pattern was what we were interested in. It took forever to get here. I'm not gonna lie, it took over a month, almost 2 months to get here, but I think it looks so good in the space. I added the little snail guy in here, and I want to get a shorter version in the same color and then maybe an accent chair, and I think we're gonna put this rug downstairs eventually, but it's beautiful and I'm so happy. And I love that it's like firm but still comfortable, so it's not like the type of couch you just like sink in and then fall asleep in. It's a really good like coffee and chats kind of couch. So if you're curious about where the other couches went, they are downstairs, and obviously it's messy because we use it every single day. Alex is on this couch, I'm over there, projector, and then we have our little chairs. We have to take that wall mount off eventually, but this is our little like movie theater area and we love it.